Hi, I'm Rick with Wheatstone, and I'm here to talk about Gapbuster today, specifically calibrating Gapbuster and certain things that may go wrong when you try to use it. So our friend Maddox in Atlanta has given us a file, and we notice right off the bat that there's a lot of space in it. The file is 2 minutes and 14 seconds long. I'm just going to play you the beginning.
But I'm going to have more tomorrow. What's your name?
My name is Bree.
Hi, Bree. How you doing?
I'm good.
Doing good. What are you up to today? Anything fun?
No.
So we hear a lot of gaps in there that we would like to remove. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to select everything. I'm going to apply Gapbuster. And it looks like nothing happened. The file is 2 minutes and 13 seconds long. We got rid of barely a second. Why is that? Well, let's talk about that in some detail. If I go back to the beginning of the file, I still see this very large gap here, which is obvious, and I'm wondering why that didn't go away. Well, if I zoom in on the file in the vertical range, I still actually see a lot of noise down here. If I play this, I can select this part and just play the selection. And you look at my meters, I have noise around minus 44 dB. There's a noise floor in there. So let's look at the settings in Gapbuster. And I see that my threshold of silence is actually minus 48, which means it's going to ignore anything that's higher than minus 48. So what we're going to do is actually select the whole file, and then I'm going to change that setting. I'm going to goose that up to about minus 36. We're going to say OK. Voila. All those gaps are gone. Now let's play it from the beginning.
But I'm going to have more tomorrow. What's your name?
My name is Bree.
Hi, Bree. How you doing?
I'm good.
Doing good. What are you up to today? Anything?
By the way, I have left that in a zoomed state.
But I'm going to have more tomorrow. What's your name?
My name is Bree.
Hi, Bree. How you doing?
I'm good.
Doing good. What are you up to today?
And there you go. It's removed the gaps. So one thing I did want to point out is that when you select everything and then simply hit G, that's a shortcut, which immediately applies the last settings you had from Gapbuster. If you hit Control G, that's the same as selecting it from the menu. And you can now see the two adjustment parameters you have, and you can set those in, say OK, and it'll do it. So if you have any questions about Gapbuster or any other features in VoxPro 6, visit our website at voxpro.wheatstone.com. See you there.